Again, the judge in Lower Manhattan just now granting bail to Dominique Strauss-Kahn, the former International Monetary Fund chief. He will be released from custody. I would imagine that the judge has laid down some restrictions as offered by the defense team. One, $1 million secured bail. Number two, he's got to stay restricted under house arrest with an electronic bracelet and a monitoring firm monitoring his every move. And that has to be paid for, by the way, by Dominique Strauss-Kahn. Now, John Manuelian, let me ask you, does that seem reasonable under the circumstances?
Absolutely. I knew the judge would make the correct call, and this is the correct call. Look, the guy's the managing director of the IMF, is internationally known. He's not a flight risk, and people are mentioning the fact that he was arrested on a plane, but the fact of the matter is he purchased these plane tickets way in advance. Additionally, 15 minutes after this alleged incident occurred, he had lunch with his friend, and all of his behavior indicates somebody that did not rape somebody. We got to give this guy the benefit of the doubt, and we shouldn't rush to judgment at this point.
The French are outraged that there was a perp walk here in which we saw an unshaven man in cuffs and so on and so forth. They say this totally defeats the presumption of innocence. In truth, there really isn't a presumption of innocence. Isn't there, in truth, a presumption of guilt?
In these kind of cases, there is, absolutely. I'm a criminal defense attorney, and I could say that if Strauss-Kahn was my client, I would be very upset the fact that they made him do a perp walk. The entire world has seen this right now, and in most people's minds, if you walk out with your handcuffs in your hands and you're going into a police car, you must have done something wrong.